Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and welcome to this video. Also welcome to my channel. So as you can see from the title, today what we are doing, what app we're gonna be using is dot to dot. Do you want to draw some things but you don't really know where to start, or you're not sure if you could do something good or somehow? So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna be using dot to dot, so you don't really have to think about it. We will just start and let's see where we're gonna get, okay? So the first thing is you're gonna launch the app, of course. And after launching the app, as you can see, we have some options. We have a lot of options that we can actually use. These ones are for free. So also these two, as you can see, they're free for now, and I actually would like to use them. Their collections. Uh, let's go and see these collections actually. Let's go with fashion. We have almost like 14 of them in. Like as you can see, it's saying how many dots it has. For example, I want to go with this one actually. It has 258 dots, and the only thing is there's a bit of too much app, but it can be understandable if you ask me. So what we do, as you can see that 1, 2, they're like doing this pulsing. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click number 2, then 3, 4, 5. This is the way you use, like you drag your page, and this is how you get to the others. So for example, as you can see, you cannot do it because 8 and 19, you have to go to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This looks fun. So actually how you can use it in real life, you can do this. For example, you have some templates here, right? You can try to have the same ones in your house, like in a paper. You can maybe print them out or something like that, and you can actually try to do it with your own hands, but of course you have to be careful about the curving and all that. So let's keep going. I really like this. It's like a bit, your stress levels are kind of getting down and down, and I like that. And it's not letting you to make a mistake, which could be a bad or a good thing at the same time. The thing is, the reason why I'm saying it is because of this. Like when you make mistakes, you actually learn a lot. Like the reason why, how I know that, I actually draw in my real life. I am studying in Yıldız Technical University, and my department is communication design. That's what we do. We draw things. We have to, because we're designing characters, we're designing apps and all that. So you actually need to know how to draw. And the way to learn to draw is actually making mistakes at the same time, if you ask me, because like I did a lot of mistakes, like some funny mistakes and some really stupid mistakes while drawing something. Like you would know that an arm wouldn't look that way, but you say, let me try it again, maybe I will be able to make it look okay with some shadowing or stuff like that, but no. So that's why I'm saying it could be a bad thing that it doesn't let you make a mistake. Oh, I'm kind of relaxed, so relaxed that I feel sleepy now. 60, 61, 62. I'm just wondering what we'll get out of this. Of course, I'm not sure if I can finish this before finishing this video, because I don't want to keep you guys here just be watching me drawing, because I'm pretty sure you guys would want to go and be downloading this app. So as you can see, actually this is pretty much it, but I'm almost done, halfway done. And the good thing is you actually can see where you're at. For example, there is like 4 levels, and I have did the first part, did the second part, I'm in the third part right now. And from here you see there are actually 258 points, and I have done 82 of them, and it is showing, you see, 83 84, 85, 86. Oh, let's just finish this part. So it is 88, 89, 90. Okay, 91, 92, 93, 94. I don't know why. Yeah, you see, there's 76. Like, I think now I have realized that there is a pair of shoes. That's why it has different. I'm trying to, at least let me try to finish this one. Oh yes, I have finished the first one. Did you guys see? Let's preview. You see? I have finished the one, and now I'm remaining with another one, but I'm gonna do it a bit later, not now at least. So as you can see where you're at. For example, if I work a little bit more, I'll be finished very soon. So let's see what are these ones for. This is for drawing. Actually, you see, this is how it helps. This is actually giving you a hint. Maybe you cannot see, for example, there are times where you cannot actually see where is the number 6, because it can be somewhere up here or up there. It is giving you hints, to be honest. So, and this one is kinda, let's see what is this one doing. Oh. That's amazing. I wanna try again. We can watch a short video to get a hint. Okay. Okay, so we watched it. Okay, now we're gonna click. Okay, it's good. I think it is okay. So from here you can actually choose. You see where you're actually at. What is this one? Oh, another one. No, I don't want to. Yes, close this video. Yes, it was like I'm in level 1 right now, and there's actually, if you want to ask me, there's too much ads. Too much. So when we're quitting, actually, it doesn't go away. Even though till the part that we've done, it stays that way, so you don't need to worry about it. So let's check what we have in premium. In premium, there are some more complex ones, and I think they look way more fun. For example, let's click on this one. You see, there are 1028, 1622 dots. So it's gonna take some real time. You have to be aware of that. So from here, down here in the third button, it says my work, and you can see in progress. I haven't finished any of them, so that I don't have any finished puzzles. But in here, you can see the ones that in progress. This one, I have been doing it before starting the video. So I have 171 connected dots, which is written down up there, as you can see. So let's go to settings, and from here, actually, when you when you connect 2 dots, there is this vibration which should be coming into your phone. This is what it's talking about. Drag to connect. Hold finger and screen to cast a line. Like, you can do this, you can be holding it, or you can just be, number 1, you can just click on the number 2. This is up to you. You can do it. We also have sparkling animation, just like you saw when we were connecting 2 dots. It was like there was some sparkling coming out of there. You can turn them on, turn them off. That's just up to you. If you want to, you can do it. If you don't have to do it. But really, even in the free, maybe you don't want to get premium, but there are a lot of free ones, because you see, you're clocking, and we have all these ones. It will take some time to finish all that, so I think you can give it a try, even if you don't want to go premium. you should be trying, if you ask me. So if you guys have any questions about this video or any suggestions about my channel, you can leave a comment. You should be leaving a comment under this video so I can try to answer your questions and also read your suggestions. And thanks for watching this video. If you like this video and found it helpful, go hit that like button, don't forget to do so. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, which I'm pretty sure you did, but in case of you forgot or something like that, go hit that button too, so we can meet in my next video. So see you guys in my next video.